Well, I'm across the street at my daughter's house, and that's where her husband was parked. He left about 30 minutes ago. That's where she was parked, but she's been going back and forth, going to shopping and going to therapy and stuff for the boys, and so the snow built up there. But the snow really started coming down, I guess, in the last hour or so, because it's coming down hard here now. And it is, yeah, you can see over there, I don't know if you can see over there, my truck over there is, has a couple inches on the windshield. So, and the flakes, I guess when it first started, it was really small flakes. Now it's getting to be some nice, decent sized ones here coming down. Fortunately, some of the stuff is still, like this concrete is still warm here. So it's melting fairly quick on it. But out there where the concrete was getting rained on and stuff, and the first snow hit it, it cooled off really quick. So anyways, this is our snowstorm that just rolled in from California. They've been getting rained on for the last several days, and so now the moist weather's hitting here, and now they're getting really heavy snow. They're supposed to get 12 feet by Sunday. All right, hope you have better weather, but if you're east of us, this is coming towards you.